Hi, are you looking for a remote job? Are you looking for a job where you work from home? Are you looking for a virtual assistant job? Are you looking for a customer representative job? Then this is the right channel for you. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so videos like this would always pop up. Hi, my name is Modupe Olakunle. I am a YouTuber. I post content on traveling, scholarship, and remote work. On today's episode, I am going to be talking about remote work. I'm going to be sharing websites where you can apply for remote jobs. All you have to do is follow the steps and procedure and apply. You don't need a specific qualification or a very elaborate qualification for it. And please, if this is the content you like and want to be seen, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell like I have said. Let's get right into the video.
Hi guys. So these are the websites where you would find remote jobs. On the main blog which I'm going to be posting the link down below in the description box, there are more than 17 websites where you can go and apply for remote jobs. But I'm going to be going through few with you, about 4 or 5 of them, so you can have an idea of how it looks like and how you can apply. So this is the first website. It's called ClearDesk. All you have to do is click on get started, and yeah, when you get here, you see a page where they'll say, I want to hire remote talent, I want to become an assistant. So you click on I want to become an assistant. Wait for it to load. I'm so sorry, my network is a bit slow where I am. I just want to give you guys an insight of what to expect and how to apply for these jobs. They are very easy to apply. You don't need to go through rigorous steps to apply for them. And then you get them, they pay you hourly, weekly, or monthly, whichever one, whichever whichever way the site or the company wants to pay you. As long as you get your job done, they will definitely pay you. So you sign in to Access Recruit, put in your email. I don't want to put in my email, but just put in your email and go through the process. It's very seamless. And then you apply for the job. This is another one called Remote Africa. You find a job here, on here. You have to find a job. So let me click on find a job. You filter. There's a filter for this. There are different type of jobs on this platform where you can apply to, and they are all remote jobs. So you see, digital project manager. One thing about this project management thing is that you can actually go on Coursera and get a certification on project management. And I know many of you would say, oh, you don't have money or you have to pay to Coursera to get a certification. I will be making a video on how to get a certification on Coursera without paying a dime. Yes, you heard me right. Without paying a dime, you can get certifications and add that certification to your application. For example, this digital project manager role, which is 100% remote, you can go on Coursera and get a certification on project management. And after you get that certification, then come back here and apply. And in that project management, they'll teach you at the end of the program, at the end of the lectures and certification, they'll teach you on how to build up your portfolio so you can get a job for free. Don't worry, that will be my next video. I would create a video on how to get a certification on Coursera for free. You don't need to have any form of qualification, any form of education, or any form of degree to get that. So you go on here and look for a job that suits you, that you can do, Here there is video editor. If you are good at editing video, it's a contract, remote friendly, and is in Africa. If you are from Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, whichever African country that you are in, these are the jobs for you, because you see here Africa, they're looking for people like you. Operation analyst. If there is a particular job you want to do, and there are some that needs at least a form of certification, like I said, Coursera is your friend. Go on there and get a certification. Here are executive assistant open application. Just click on whichever one and apply for it. Let me click on this. Let me click on this video editor. It's new. You just posted it. Okay, apply for this position. What we are looking for: role, video editing. You can just apply if you are good at video editing. If you can edit video on CapCut, whatever aspect of video you can edit, here is a remote job for you, where you do your job. They will give you videos to edit, and then they will pay you your money, and then you collect your money to your pockets. So let me go to another website. So this is called Grab Jobs. This is another website where you find jobs. All you just have to do is, input the job. Let's say we're looking for virtual assistant job. Then we find it. Please, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that more videos like this would pop up on your timeline. And if this is the video you would like to see, please comment down below in the comment section, and I would make more videos like this and update you on other websites that you can work from home from. You understand what I mean? So here are the virtual assistant jobs, posted 9 days ago. All you just have to do is apply. Social media assistant, tech support, data entry assistant, content copywriter, real estate assistant. Okay, all these are like full-time jobs. Full-time jobs. We are looking for remote jobs. So all you just have to do is tailor down the filter into something that you want. Tailor it down to remote job, something you can do from a job that you can do from home, and it will give you whatever it is that you're looking for. Here is another website for remote jobs. It's called Cloud Workers, and all you have to do here is, hi, would you like to join our team? You click on the apply now, and then you can apply as a chat moderator now. Fill in this application. All you just have to do is fill in this application and submit your application. Once you submit your application, they will send you an email to tell you if you've gotten the job or not. Very seamless. You don't need to go through any step, any rigorous um application steps. All you require is to have a computer, a stable internet connection, and competent language skills. That's all you need to have. You don't need to have any other qualifications. Um you don't need a certification. But if you want to get a certification, it's just a backup, and it just makes your application more appealing to whoever is recruiting for the job. So that's about that. I am going to be dropping the link for the other websites in the description box, so you can go on there and click on it and apply. There are about 17, like I said. So these are the websites. Please go on there and apply. Thank you very much.